This house is built in 1915, so it's almost 100 years old. And it was imported from Norway in pieces, like a IKEA style, and put together here in Iceland. And it worked as a grocery shop. Like there was this Kaupmaður or grocer who was running it for many years until the 70s, selling all kinds of things. And in this original interior that is in the house today, like flour and fisherman's clothes and everything. And then it closed somewhere in the 70s, or he moved to Reykjavik, and since then it's been a video rent, and Lini was selling some electricity now, I think, and then it was standing empty for some years, and it was used in the film Nói Albinói. Maybe you've seen that. They used it was a bookshop, it's a biker outside. So the house has sort of a funny history. And then we bought it 5 or 6 years ago, and we've been rebuilding it for 4 years. And we opened a coffee house 3 years ago. It's gonna be the 3rd summer, this summer, that we run it. We have been running it in the summer, then for Christmas, Easter, and groups like you, or sometimes we have little activities like book readings or concerts, but mainly we're a tourist business. And it's been going really well the 2 previous years. Lots of people, really good interest. We were a bit surprised that it actually worked as a tourist attraction. We thought people would come to Thingeyri to maybe do other things and then come to us, but actually we have experienced that they come because of us. I mean, also doing other things, of course, but it's been really well received. And lots of people are coming because they maybe remember the days when it was a shop. They were shopping here as kids, and they come back and they're very happy that someone is doing something with the house. And we made the basement last winter, so we opened the basement it was ready for last summer. We still have to, I think this summer we're gonna serve 1 course of food in the evening also. So we're gonna make it ready downstairs to be more like a restaurant. And then we use it for concerts, but mostly we use it upstairs. We use this